Hi guys, welcome back to Form Friday. And today I'm going to be showing you how to perform the walking weighted lunge. Now this is such a good exercise for our quads, our hamstrings, our glutes, and it's also a really good core exercise because if we don't engage that midsection, we're just going to lose balance and probably topple over. And we're also going to be working our arms today. And the reason being is that when we're holding the weight, whether that be with dumbbells or the kettlebells over here, we're going to have constant time under tension, okay? Now the most important thing to remember with the walking lunge is that when we come down, our knee isn't protruding past our foot like this, okay? What we really want here is about 90 degrees with the ground and our shoelaces directly underneath our knee, okay? Let me show you how to perform the walking lunge. Now what we want is a weight that we can comfortably do 10 reps per leg width. So I'm going to use the trusty basketball, so these are 14 kilos each, okay? So we come down, breathe in, explosive up, breathe out. And again, breathe in, explosive up, push up. Oh, yeah. There you have it guys. Now as you can see, I've been very lucky to have this at the ISO gym's doorstep. So you really want a clear area with very little obstacles, but it makes life so much easier when you're performing this exercise. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week for Form Friday.